A summons is what it sounds like. We are summoning you, or the court is summoning you. In other words, telling you that you need to come to court on a particular date. Summons are usually issued in cases where there's some confidence that the person will appear, and there isn't a concern for the safety of the community, and that the person doesn't need to be arrested on a warrant. If we feel that there's a chance that they're not going to come to court, or that there is a reason that we need them in custody right away, we will ask for bail in our complaint. If a judge signs that, it is then called a warrant. Law enforcement will go out and serve that warrant on the defendant, and they will be brought into court in custody and then appear before a judge, sometimes that day, sometimes the next day.